Hello, children. Hello, boys and girls. So, now, today we have a very important presentation. It is very, very important. It is the present continuous tense. Non l'abbiamo mai usato together and we must really concentrate on it. Ci dobbiamo molto concentrare to understand it, okay? So let's go step by step together, un passo alla volta. Let's start. Now, we use it to talk about actions that are happening at the moment now, or actions happening today. Allora, qua abbiamo una cosa molto diversa rispetto al present simple, because we use the present simple tense to talk about what you normally do. Che cosa fai di solito? I get up at 2:00. I have breakfast at, etc. Here, with the present continuous, we're talking about what we're doing now. Cosa stiamo facendo now? Ora. In this precise moment. While I'm speaking, for example, mentre sto parlando, what am I doing? I am speaking. I repeat, I, subject, am. Che verbo è? I am. Can you recognize it? Vi viene in mente? The verb to be. So, I am speaking. I-N-G. I-N-G finali. Infatti, let's have a look at how do I for the present continuous. First of all, vi ricordate I. This is the subject, io. Verb, to speak. Parlare ho usato, ok? So, wait. I, verb to be, speaking. Okay, I, subject, am, verb to be, speaking. Speak, plus ing. Vediamone some more examples, okay? I am reading. I is the subject, to be, am, I am. The verb is read, and we need to put ing. Tutto questo serve, children. You need a subject, you need the verb to be, and you need the verb plus ing. Some more examples. Let's go. He, lui, or Bart, è sempre lo stesso soggetto, is playing the guitar. Sta suonando la chitarra. She, lei, or Maggie, is walking. Sta camminando and also throwing down, che fa anche un tombolone. Now let's go. They, this is plural, S-C. Who are they? Bart and Skinner. Okay? What are they doing? They are running. Loro stanno correndo. Okay, that's it. Now, we have two spelling rules to remember. Ci ricordiamo ending in E, i verbi che finiscono con la E, come funzionano. Remove the E, tolgono la E, and add, aggiungono ing. For example, if we have dance, okay, it finishes with an E, finisce con la E, yes, so this E disappears, sparisce, but we have dancing. The same goes for ride. It finishes with an E, it becomes riding, okay? Write, scrivere. It finishes with an E, yes, of course. It becomes writing, okay? Is it clear for now? Is it clear for the moment? I hope so. Now, the second thing to remember, for the verbs with one syllable, quindi I verbi corti con una sola sillaba, ending with, che finiscono con vowel, vocale, plus consonant. Double the consonant. Raddoppiano la consonante before adding, prima di aggiungere ing. Oh, is it easy? Yes, it is. Have a look. Sit. Quante sillabe sono? Sit. Just one. Sit. Count. Sit. And we have a vowel, I, and a consonant, T. What happens? Sitting. Double T. Run. Run. That's just one syllable. We have a vowel, U, and we have an N. What happens? Running. Double N, I-N-G. The same goes for swim. One syllable. Swim. È una sillaba sola. And we have vowel plus consonant. It becomes swimming. Double M. Okay, now let's look at some more examples. It will become easier for you. Now, for example, she's taken a picture. Qua la forma è contratta, ma c'è il soggetto, she, c'è il verbo essere, yes, of course. Eccolo qua, apostrophe S. She is taking a picture. He's cooking. Oh, yeah, preparing the cake. All right. She's playing tennis. Now, in this precise moment, in questo preciso momento, she's playing tennis, okay? He's eating a toast, okay? Now. He's playing baseball. Always in this moment, adesso. What is he doing? He is swimming. He's painting. She's doing gymnastics. He's playing soccer, yeah, like you do, come fate voi, and many of you. He's fishing. Chi di voi va a pescare? I don't know. Anyway, he's fishing. Ora, in this moment. He's reading. And that's it. Now we've got a dialogue. Abbiamo una small, very, very small, short conversation for you to do, to practice a little bit. Allora, we have two different questions. Okay, what can you recognize here? Every day, that's a typical routine. Okay, we don't use the present continuous in this case. We just need the present simple. Okay. Now, what do you do every day? For example, I have breakfast at 8 o'clock and then I go out for a walk. Okay? But that's present simple. È il presente semplice. Invece, what are you doing now? Cosa fai ora? I want to know what are you doing now in this precise moment. I am teaching now in this moment, or I am teaching to you. Well, children, now this is it. Questo è il present continuous. Hope you understood. Spero che vi sia stata chiara the explanation. Practice a little bit on it, and you will have some homework to do on your book now. Okay? Now, hope you got it. And hope you will have a very nice day. Okay, buona giornata. Have a nice day, boys and girls. I will hear you soon. Hugs. Un abbraccio. Bye. Teacher Monica. Bye bye.